Do you know, want to know
Can
the
we know
sex?
the gender?
Want to know?
Yes.
Okay. It's one leg, the other hand, and
Morning guys. Ang buntag, namin dito karon sa kwan. Dito kami ngayon sa clinic ni Gladys. Last check-up niya ngayon sa Taiwan. Siyempre, samahan ni Kwali. Samahan ni Daddy. Daddy. Usual man. Daddy Papa raw eh. Ano doon? Kamay din ba?
Ha?
Punta sa iya magmana ang bata. Kaya ang amahan, high blood.
菲律宾吗？
对。
还会再回来吗？
没有不用
OK，所以今天是最后一次来
对对
这里。还有不舒服吗？
有
有。那你要等一下要开那个证明吗？
啊？
搭飞机
要
的证明。
对对
那你要跟医生说。
对对对。
hi morning.
What is this? in this?
I check ultrasound. Okay. So no pain. No
Just
pain.
nose vomiting.
Vomiting. Okay. So when you can go back? This month or next month?
January 20. This
No,
month.
Okay. Oh, that's this month. Okay.
Next week.
Next
Next
week.
week.
Next week. Okay. Give you some drug for the let baby stable. If you feel pain, you fry, you pain, you can take the drug.
Okay.
And some vitamin for prevent the nausea or vomiting. Okay. And others is okay, but because the now it's very small, so fry is okay.
Okay.
Okay. The baby hand, spine, ribs. Happy. Okay, maybe it's very strong, don't worry, okay? And his stomach here, and porta vein liver, kidney, and one hand, one leg, the other hand leg. Penis here, this boy. Okay, and one,
Kaya pala
one,
Kita ko siya
one
mat.
foot and the other foot, it's okay. So it's
It's a boy.
boy, yeah. Okay, everything is okay. And 3 day drug is for the baby stable.
Okay.
If you on your fly you feel pain, you can take the drug.
Okay.
And vitamin before you sleep. Okay, it's improve your vomiting.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So yun guys, kakatapos lang namin ng check-up. So, meron na din clearance certificate, pabiyahe ng airplane and barko. Nakalagay kasi dito Air and Sea. Air and Sea. May dadaan pala kami ng kwan ngayon, ng labor. Mag-apply kami ng labor ngayon. Malay mo, makaabot ka pa ng 65. So guys, ito kami sa labor insurance. Yan. Bureau of Labor Insurance, Ministry of Labor. Pa-check namin yung 12 years niya dito. Yung sinasabi nila na 60 years old or 65 years old. Malay mo, maabot pa lang 65. Ang tanong, paano makuha?
你申请还是怎么样？满65岁，好，满65岁，这是金额，哎，这里，嘿，
317.
还有来这里吗？不用。
到时候再说吧。65岁还很久很久。好。
Ano yung kwan niya? 12 years niya. 65 years old. 317,028.
28.
So guys, labas na kami sa labor. Yung makakuha niya sa 65 years old, 317,000 NT. Plus. Malay mo, makabalik ka ba ng 65 years old? Kumuha din kasi kami ng maternity form para sa pagpanganak niya sa Pilipinas. Kahit sa Pilipinas siya manganak, meron siyang makuha na pera dito sa Taiwan. Di ba? Taiwan lang malakas. Uwi na.